What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another YouTube video, and it's what? Absolutely no shade, period. Shout out to West Kiss Hair for sending me this beautiful chocolate milk wig. This wig is so pretty and simple and just perfect and just, I really love deep brown wigs. I didn't know how much I liked them till today, no shade. This was a body wave wig. It was so thick, so full. This is me bleaching the knots. Yes, even though it's already brown and lightened, you still want to bleach those knots because you just want it to be natural and scalpy, no shade. And I bleached them till them things was blonde, period. I did a cute side part with curls. So just stay tuned, watch the tutorial, and it's no shade. So after I used my skin protectant on her skin, I did about 2 layers of that, and then I sized the wig to make sure it laid where I wanted to lay. This was a medium-sized cap, and it fit her head so perfectly, which is surprising because I would think she has a bigger head than medium, but these medium wigs fit big. So shout out to West Kids for sending wigs that fit. It was a lot of space and a lot of wiggle room. Once that glue dries, I'm going to go in and lay this wig. I start with the middle, then I go side to side. And as you can see, I tried to do a more M-shaped hairline because I'm tired of just the straight across hairlines. I'm trying to go into getting a little bit more advanced. So we got to create some definition, some zigzags in these hairlines, no shade. Once all that lace is cut off, now I'm going in to do my baby hairs. I like to do 2 big ones and then 2 sideburns. That's just my swag right now. And I like to line the 2 corner baby hairs up with her nose. So they have to be even and not too spread apart. I hate them wide baby hairs. Bring them in closer. That's a cuter look, no shade. And then I'm going in to pluck some more because I needed my hairline to be real defined and real custom. I didn't want no thick hairlines at all. So I was going in and plucking, period. Now I'm using my goat spray and I'm just going with that across the hairline and then tying it down. And after cooking that lace for a little bit, this is what we got. Very scalpy, very locked in, no tape, just adhesive. So you guys, if you don't want to use the tape, you don't have to. But if you want your wig to last longer, then I would recommend the tape. But you can get away with a strong hold with just adhesive. No shade. So after hot combing and cutting those baby hairs off, now I'm just going in with some powdered makeup to get rid of some of that shine. And it's absolutely no shade. After that, I curled my baby hairs and I used mousse to do these baby hairs. I wanted a soft look because I was doing soft waves. So when I do mousse baby hairs, I like to use like a silk scarf and then go in with my melt belt. No shade. I used my Baby Bliss curling iron to get these big bubble curls. I didn't layer this hair, but if you decided to layer it, it would be cute as hell too. No shade. And after doing those final touch-ups, now it's time for the comb out. And this is our final product. Yes, look at this body. Look at these bubble curls. Shout out to West Kids for sending me this beautiful wig. I will be leaving all the information for this wig in the description. Keep subscribing to my channel. We almost at 5K subscribers. We're growing by the second. It's no shade. Bye, y'all.